let me paint the picture of the person that would buy this, and maybe it will make more sense. This is for the lifestyle van life person, which, okay,
Is growing.
it's growing. There's a lot of people doing that. At the same time, I don't think this is quite big enough. And they already sell the Ram ProMaster, the Sprinter. Like they sell bigger vans for that purpose already.
And I can't imagine they would have the plug-in hybrid version because it would take up your storage space.
It's got a 2.8-inch lift in the front, a 2.5-inch in the rear. It's equipped with splash guards and yellow LED fog lamps, lower fog lamps in the front. They also removed the third row and added additional tie downs and outlets in the back, like 450 watt power outlets. No word on pricing of it or availability. It is a little sad that the most exciting thing going on at Chrysler right now is a lifted Pacifica, especially for a company that this year is celebrating 100 years. Like imagine early in the Chrysler days, like, man, I wonder where this company will be 100 years from now.
Hanging on by a thread.
By the thinnest of threads. Going back to that investment story, I didn't hear a word about Chrysler in any of that. It's all Ram, Dodge, and Jeep. Nothing about Chrysler.
I don't know that they're going to save that sinking ship.
They make the Pacifica, and as long as they're making money off it, I assume they'll keep doing it. Once the Pacifica is so outdated it needs a major refresh, I think they'll just make a new Dodge
Van. And they'll
be done with Chrysler.
They'll just sunset it.
That's what I think will happen.
Yeah. In order to get Chrysler back, what do you got to do? You gotta. What is a Chrysler in your mind? Close your eyes. Chrysler's a big luxury sedan.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
It's a Chrysler 300.
And the Chrysler 300 lived up to that nameplate and did a great job. And if they refreshed the Chrysler 300 and kept that alive, now I know in the regulatory climate they were in, that wasn't going to happen. But the regulatory climate we're in now is very different.
Just kind of retooled the Charger.
If they did that and then kept the six pack in it, that would do it. That would get your identity back, because the Pacifica is great. It's a competitive product in its segment. It is not an identity for Chrysler. It's not even close. It shouldn't even be a Chrysler product in the first place. It should have been a Dodge Pacifica or something. If they badge engineer the Charger into something impressive when you sit in it, you have to get in it and go, why would I buy a Mercedes?
When I can buy this, which is
Right.
80% as good for half the price.
Right. No, not even. This has to, why would I get in? Why would even bother with a Mercedes if this is better at half the price? That's what it has to be. And if you can manage that, you can save Chrysler, because and it also has to have road presence like the 300 had. You noticed a 300 when it drove past you.
When it first came out, it was like, that looked like a $100,000 car.
Absolutely.
When it first came out, like in 2006, people are blown away that it was like a $30,000 car.
Yeah, absolutely. And they've got to pull that rabbit out of the hat again.
I wonder why they didn't do this new platform strategy with the 300, because I don't feel like there's the same pressure to keep the V8 in the 300 like there is with the Charger.
No, the Charger is much more
synonymous with V8
V8
muscle car.
Right.
The 300, I would buy a 300 with the 6-cylinder.
With a straight six, yeah, I would. Totally. I would too. I wouldn't even be upset about it. I'd go. I
might even prefer it, honestly.
I don't know about that.
I wouldn't buy a new Charger because it doesn't come with a V8. I would buy a new 300 with the new straight six for sure.
You bring it out at $55,000, but then they'd be undercutting the Charger. The Charger's so expensive now.
Toward the end of its life, the 300 and Charger were about the same price.
Yeah, but the 300 was more for most of its run. The equivalent engine in a 300 was a good chunk of change more.
Yeah,
probably 8 or 10% more. It's something for Chrysler.
Yeah. My prediction: Chrysler will be around as long as the Pacifica is around. When not enough people are buying the Pacifica anymore,
I still stick by my 2030 prediction from a couple of years ago.
That seems really optimistic now.
That they'll make it to 2030.
That they'll make it to 2030.